Welcome to the top of the hill in Wandal at 93 Rundle Street, Wandal, located right next door to St. Joseph's. I particularly love this open plan kitchen dining lounge room that is flooded with natural light.
So as the spacious bench space on offer, you've got a great outlook from the kitchen that overlooks the pool, the spacious backyard, as well as you've got room with side access to build your favourite shed.
What an incredible property. Light-filled, open plan, a luxurious ensuite, in-ground swimming pool, and side access to build your dream shed.
If our team can help you own this fantastic property, give us a call today. We'd love to help you out.